Sitemap pages can be cloned in a few different ways. To clone a group of pages, push the Command or Control key while dragging the parent page with its child pages to a new location. This will duplicate the entire group. For cloning a single page, push the Option or Alt key and drag the page to its new location. Pages can also be cloned from their Properties panel. Open the panel of the selected page and click the copy icon on top. Now, you have several cloning options. Selected page and child pages clones the selected page and its child pages. Only selected page clones only the selected page. Only child pages clones only the child pages of the selected page. From the Select Parent Page drop-down, indicate a new location for the clone pages. You can include additional elements like page types, links, notes, custom colors, files, contents, and diagrams. Click the Clone button. To clone pages in bulk, select the checkboxes on the top of each page. The bulk editing bar appears at the bottom of the page. Click the Clone button. From the modal window, select the parent page you wish to clone to and click Clone to finish. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.